So the temperature right now is now all the way down to 46 right now. There is a heavy band of rain approaching. There's actually yellows embedded in this entire band. So the sky definitely looks turbulent as there's a pretty good downpour approaching right now. It looks pretty intense on radar. There's actually some yellows embedded in this. Not just dark greens, but yellows. That's something that has not come over in a while. The stuff that produced those puddles was actually just dark green and a couple of spots of yellow. This is almost all solid yellow. If you look down in the distance, see the outline of some cumulus right about there. Yeah, this entire thing is just convective yellow. That's why the sky looks so turbulent. There's probably some a little bit of a gust front coming in now. Yeah, there's some winds coming in. Yeah, that's the gust front now. Yep. Here comes the gust front. Yep. There's stuff falling out of it. There's some, here comes the gust front. Yeah, this is definitely the gust front coming in now. It wasn't windy earlier, but now it is. Yeah, this is definitely a gust front coming in. Right now it's just lightly drizzling. Pretty heavy downpour right now. The winds are still blowing pretty strong, but there is a pretty heavy downpour that's just to my west right now. There's a pretty hefty cell that's approaching me right now. And it's even producing some good gusts of wind. Even though it's not very windy, it is producing some wind as it's approaching. Because there's a gust front coming in. There it comes. So this gust front is producing wind gusts up to about 15 to 20 miles an hour. And falling aloft, there is actually some snow. Here it's about 46 degrees at ground level. The clouds have definitely lowered in height. Now it's starting to drizzle just a little bit. Temperature about 45, 46 degrees. So the rain's about to get pretty heavy. Here comes the dark gray clouds. We're about to have a downpour. Not a downpour, but like the same rain that we had earlier, that formed these puddles. Yeah, I meant to say earlier, not yesterday. You could actually hear the rain hitting my umbrella right now. And I do feel cold, honestly. Yeah, it definitely feels cold outside right now. Temperatures are now in the mid-40s. They're about 10 degrees colder than they were just a couple hours ago. It's still all rain, but because of all these showers coming through, the freezing level must have dropped. The atmosphere is more saturated. So I think the freezing level's still at the same height. So right now the rain's still fairly light, actually. But here comes the heavy stuff right over there. You can see a lot of striations in the sky over there. Those lines you're seeing, with the exception over there, but these lines here, that's all striations. Especially right here. And I'm looking down, the visibility is decreasing. You can actually see the striations here. So there's definitely some snow falling from these clouds. I'm looking towards the north, and yet this visibility is pretty low. Here comes the downpour now. Ooh, damn, this is actually a downpour now. It's raining at a pretty good clip. Maybe there will be some grapple with this. I don't know. Let me check. So far, no grapple, just moderate rain. Definitely no grapple. Just light rain still. Still just slightly raining. But the heaviest precip is just to our west. And there's some more stuff to our north. But that should pass just to my northeast because of the way the radar, I mean the echoes are moving, the precipitation. It's being carried by the winds. We're getting light to moderate rain right now. But it's heavy enough that it's splashing on the roads right there. But it's actually heavy enough now that it's actually leaving possibly small, yeah, bubbles. Look, it's actually leaving bubbles in the water. Yep. Maybe we're finally getting some grapple now. Nope, it's just rain. I thought some of those bigger drops could possibly contain some grapple, but it's all liquid precip at the moment. It's all just big drops of rain, honestly. But there's that possibly could be some grapple. Especially those bigger drops that are leaving the bubbles in the lake. You see, we just had a small bubble that formed. Usually those bubbles mean that the drops are big. I just heard something that go. Yeah, I just got hit. No grapple, just moderate rain. Oh, I just heard something pinging on my umbrella. Hold on. Just thought I heard a pinging sound. Hold on. Nope. That was probably a drop of water that hit one of the metal striations on the umbrella. I don't see any ice or any ice residue on the. Second there, I thought I heard something pinging. Yeah, it's just rain. Sorry, I got interrupted by a call. I gotta go. I have to. My mom's calling me inside. I gotta go. For watching.